Can you believe I created this, and this photos in less than 5 minutes? That too using a single AI tool. You too can create any image you need in seconds. Whether it is a product mockup design, a cover to promote your ebook, or even a stock image for your video. Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Write, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create stunning images for almost everything using Gravity Write's AI image generator. So without any further ado, let's get started. Go to gravitywrite.com. In the sidebar, click on AI image generator. This is the tool that we are going to use to create our images. You can see there are a variety of image styles for us to choose from, like logo builder, graphic designs, product designs, and much more. But first, let's generate an image by writing the prompt here. Let's say we want an image of a woman standing in a sunflower field. Select the aspect ratio and the quality of the image. You can also select the style of the image. Let's keep it realistic. Click on Generate Image. Wow! You can see the image that it generated from a single prompt. Amazing, right? Now, if you want even better and personalized result, you can give it a detailed prompt so that it can create exactly what you have in mind. So let's try that out. As you can see, this prompt includes description of the type of hair we want, the kind of dress she is wearing, the overall scene, and also what action she is doing. So let's see whether we get this result. Let's click on Generate Image. You can see we have got the image exactly as we asked for. You too can create any kind of image by writing the prompt here. If you don't know how to write a prompt, don't worry, we have got you covered. To make it easier for you, we have created pre-made templates for different kind of images. You just need to select the kind of image you want to create and make necessary changes to it to get the desired result. Let us create 5 different kind of images using these templates. The first image that we are going to create is the logo. You can create any kind of logo for your brand. Just go to Logo Builder and you'll be taken to this page. From here, you can select the kind of logo that you want to create. Let's create a professional logo. Go to Professional Logo, click on Customize Prompt. Now, you have to replace the words in this bracket. Once you are done, select your desired aspect ratio. Then select the quality to HD and select logo in the style preset. Click on Generate Image. And your logo will be generated in few seconds. If you don't like this logo, you can click here and it will generate a new logo. Once you have got the logo you like, you can click here to remove its background and download it by clicking here. The second type of image that we are going to create is a book cover. If you have written a children's book or even an ebook, you can create book cover design using this tool. Select book covers from the sidebar. Choose the kind of book cover you want to create. I'm going to choose minimalistic book covers to create the cover image for my ebook. Click on Customize Prompt and the prompt will appear in the description box. Just replace the words in the bracket. In the place of subject, you can also write the title of your book. After that, select the aspect ratio. As it is a book cover, you can select 3:4 or 9:16. Then select HD in quality and in the style preset, select design. Once you are done, click on Generate Image. In few seconds, your book cover will be ready. The third kind of image that we are going to generate is mock-up design for product. Say you have a t-shirt printing business and you want to create mock-up for your t-shirts. Instead of getting it, printing the t-shirts and paying photographers to take photos of it, you can create t-shirt mock-ups using this tool. Just select product designs in the sidebar. Go to t-shirt mockups for printing and click on Customize Prompts. The prompt will appear in the description box. Now, just replace the words in the bracket, then select the aspect ratio and the quality of the image. Select the style preset as design. Click on Generate Image and your t-shirt mockup will get ready in seconds. Download the image and use it on your e-commerce store. The fourth kind of image that we are going to create is images for your blog or website. Instead of wasting time looking through copyright-free stock images, you can create your very own image. Just click on website building in the sidebar. Then go to the website illustrations and click on customize prompt. Now just replace the following words in the bracket. Once you are done, select the aspect ratio, quality of the image, and then click on generate image. Your image will be generated. If you are not happy with this image, you can go to the advanced settings and change the model to see which model gives you the desired result. Let's choose model B and change the mode to design. Click on generate image again and you will get your desired image that you can download and use it in your blog. If you feel like the previous image that you generated was better, you can get it by clicking on the gallery option here. As you can see, all the images are displayed here that were generated by this tool. Just click on the image that you like and download it from here. The last kind of image that we are going to create is going to be fun because we are going to create our very own Pixar character. In the sidebar, just click clip art. Then go to Pixar style and click on customize prompt. Now just replace the words in the brackets. Then select the aspect ratio and the quality of the image. Set the style preset to 3D and then click on generate image. Your Pixar style image is ready. As mentioned in the prompt, we have got a magical forest with glowing plants in the background. Amazing, right? And that's it. Now you know how to create wide variety of images for your business, social media and website, all by using AI image generator tool. Explore the tool yourself and let us know in the comments below what you created. Make sure to subscribe to Gravity Rate for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.